To create a new track in Pro Tools, simply select Track, New, or use the hotkey commands Shift, Command, and N. A dialog will appear, and it will request information about what you want. This is a place where you can title your tracks and tell it which type of track it is. At this point in time, we're most exclusively going to be using either audio tracks or instrument tracks. Depending on what channels we're bringing in from our interface, those tracks can either be mono, which is single channel, or stereo. We can also tell our tracks to make numerous tracks in this new tracks dialog. Additionally, if we push plus, it'll allow us to have another type of track included. Let's say we want 10 mono audio tracks and 5 stereo instrument tracks. Let's call our instrument tracks synth. As the session creates these new tracks, the vocal tracks will be labeled vocal 1 through 10. The synth tracks will be labeled synth 1 through 5. Let's go to the mix window to confirm their location.